Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at the best tools to keep yourself up to date with the latest and greatest in the crypto world at the tip of your fingertips using the Vector platform. Why is it so important to keep yourself current in the crypto market? Well, the short answer is that the crypto market experiences a lot more price swings due to the higher volatility of this market relative to the traditional stock market. Also, there are many external factors that have been influencing the continuity of the crypto market. For example, the structure of blockchain networks is based on decentralization of security, encryption, and privacy. But this is currently being challenged by regulators globally, and as a result, has caused more volatility in the crypto market. The explosion of NFTs and the metaverse has also propelled the price of tokens and cryptocurrencies forward, showcasing a bright future at the crossroads between technology and digital currencies in transforming the financial market. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the quotes ticker and quotes watch list, followed by the market monitor, the crypto ranking tool, the market cap tool, the crypto report, crypto news, and finally we'll show you how to set up custom market alerts. First off, we can access the quotes ticker by clicking the up and down arrow icon here. It loads instantly, providing us with real-time prices of the most popular crypto assets, as well as percentage change on the day. By right-clicking directly on the quotes ticker, we'll be able to add a crypto pair that we'd like to follow. We can also remove a crypto pair that we may not find relevant or that we don't want to appear. If you wanted to see the list of the crypto asset pair that appear on our ticker screen, we'd find it under Edit List. Here we can also add and delete crypto pairs by clicking this button here. We can share with our friends within the Vector platform. Here we can delete, and here we can create a completely new quotes ticker list. Let's go ahead and exit out. Our quotes ticker is currently docked at the top under our toolbar, but by right-clicking on the quotes ticker once again, we can either move it to the bottom of our window, as well as have it as a floating widget on our screen by selecting Free Dock, like so. Alright, but let's go ahead and put it back to the top where it was originally. Now let's direct our attention to the quotes watch list, which can be accessed at the top of the menu bar under Quotes, and then selecting New Watch List. Let's go ahead and organize our screen, so we'll go arrange vertically. I really enjoy this tool because it's packed with useful trading information, starting with our asset pair, a mini chart showing the pair's performance, which is currently set at 2 days, but we can have it changed under this tab here. So let's go ahead and change it to 1 week. Here we have the latest traded price, time traded as well, as well as a percentage change, the day's high and low, previous close, opening price, as well as the current bid and ask price, with the ability to place either a buy or sell order by hovering over the ask price and clicking this green B icon to buy and this red S icon to sell. Over here we can go ahead and add a crypto asset. We can organize our crypto asset pairs by exchange. We can change our time interval here. And finally, we can access the properties and settings of the watch list by clicking here on this icon, where we can add or remove columns by their relevance to us. Let's now talk about yet another awesome tool called the Market Monitor. To access this tool, we'll go into the Tools menu bar, and we'll go down and select the Market Monitor here. Let's go ahead and adjust our screen. This chart allows us to see the breakdown between the largest cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap, as well as their actual performance as a percentage change displayed here in the heat map. In red, we can observe the negative variances, and if there was any green, it would mean that we would have positive variances. We can notice that today, the overall performance of the crypto market is down, as the big crypto players have a negative percentage change on the day. Let's go ahead and read this map together. First, we have the acronym of the cryptocurrency. Below it, we have the market capitalization. And finally, the change on the day, or the variance, denoted as a percentage value. Let's go ahead and close the market monitor. Let's go ahead and focus our attention now to the cryptocurrency ranking tool. The cryptocurrency ranking tool allows us to analyze the performance of several cryptocurrencies over a selected time interval. In order to access this tool, we'll go to the top menu bar under Quotes, and we'll select cryptocurrency ranking. The cryptocurrency ranking tool allows us to easily view the day's biggest gains and losses in a practical and straightforward way. In the first column, we have the name of the cryptocurrency. Beside it, we have the symbol, followed by the actual current price, and finally the percentage change on the day. You'll notice that the first half of the ranking tool are the gains or positive change on the day, and the second half of the ranking tool, we have the losses or the negative change on the day. By right-clicking on the ranking tool screen, we can access its properties, where we can change the base currency. We can also change the desired time interval, as well as the font and color scheme. Let's go ahead and exit out. Let's go ahead and close this chart here. Next up, we'll take a look at the market cap tool. It can be accessed under the top menu bar under Tools, and we'll go down all the way to market cap. Let's go ahead and adjust our screen once more. The first column displays the name and logo of the cryptocurrency, followed by the second column, which shows the symbol name or abbreviation of the crypto. Then we have the total market capitalization of the given crypto, i.e., if we compare the market value in USD for Bitcoin relative to that of Ethereum, we could say that Ethereum is about half of Bitcoin's value, being the second biggest cryptocurrency on the market today. Next up, we have the price of the given crypto asset in real time, preceded by the total number of market offers. And by clicking on the Market Offers tab, like so, we can organize the column from the lowest amount of market offers to the highest amount of market offers. By doing so, we can see that Dogecoin and Stellar are the most active crypto assets on the market by sheer number of market offers. Moving on to the Variation tab, by clicking it up top, we can organize our screen by the biggest gains on the day, as well as the biggest losses on the day. So as we can see here, Aragon has the biggest gains of the day, and the biggest losses on the day are attributed to Tezos. Finally, the dominance column tells us the percentage of market share for each given crypto asset, which we can see is led predominantly by Bitcoin, with close to half of the total market cap of the crypto market. We can also customize our screen by right-clicking directly, selecting Properties for Market Cap, and here we have the ability to change the reference or base currency of the market capitalization tool. And under the columns area, we can add columns such as the 12-month variance, as well as remove columns we may not find relevant to us. Not to mention, change the order of the columns using the move up or move down buttons, or by clicking on an item and dragging and dropping, like so. The Vector platform keeps you up to date with the latest crypto market headlines, which you can quickly find by clicking the crypto report icon located here, or going to the top menu bar and selecting News and then Crypto Report. Let's go ahead and close out our market cap and adjust our screen. Under each news headline, you'll notice that there are hyperlinks to third-party sources of each news update posted, so that you can view the original article, which you can find underlined here, for example, as well as give you direct access to our site at the bottom of the report, here. The Newsfeed Manager or the News Manager gives us the latest crypto market news updates so that you can't miss a market beat. We can access it using the Newsfeed icon here, as well as the News menu bar at the top. Select News and click on News Manager. Let's go ahead and adjust our screen once more. By right-clicking on the news screen, we can access its properties, where we can change the font, style, and size. By right-clicking once more, we can also mark an article as unread or as read. We can also add an article to our favorites. We can also change the visibility of the articles by date and by source, as well as share the news with our friends and fellow traders within the Vector platform. By clicking on the settings icon here, we can also add filters to search for specific keywords. All right, so let's go ahead and add a filter. We'll change this to Ripple, and we'll go ahead and search for anything related to Ripple as well. All right, then we'd click OK. Then we'd go up top here to our filter dropdown. We'd select our filter, and voila. So here we can see that we only have news updates or articles with the word Ripple that appear. This double bar icon here, besides the settings icon, allows us to see a preview of the crypto market's top headlines. Beside it, we have the clock icon, which allows us to set up customized alerts to inform us about relevant news which can impact the price of our crypto holdings or influence our decisions to buy or sell any given crypto asset. By clicking on the icon, we can go ahead and set up a new alert. So let's search for ticker BTC USDT. Go ahead and double click, and we'll search for anything that is highly relevant to this specific crypto trading pair. We can also go ahead and change the sound of the alert, as well as the color of our alert once our alert is activated. So we go ahead and click insert, and it's ready to go. Finally, we can access our saved favorites by clicking the star icon here. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and benefited from it. Stick around for more tutorials on how to effectively use the Vector platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you liked our video, please share it with your friends and family.